Just showing you a little bit what I've been up to today. See, the linoleum and the carpeting tore out. That's in the main area here. Haven't done the slide yet. Let me tell you, it's a lot of work. The amount of staples, they staple this thing everywhere. I don't know if you can see the amount of staples I took out. Just staples everywhere. That's how they put this thing in. It'd take me a day just to pull all the staples out of this area. Not sure what we're gonna put in here yet. Gotta do something different. Just didn't like that old carpet. But anyway, that's what I've been working on today, and just wanted to check in, let y'all know what was going on. I'll try to get this video posted, and may do some more tomorrow. We'll see. Anyway, you guys stay safe, and we'll see you later.